Hi, this is for Amy. Wanted to show you the invisible stitch or the ladder stitch. Here's just a diagram. Here's the top of your two pieces of fabric that you're sewing together, and basically you're coming up here and you're coming across, straight across, and then you tunnel under that folded edge, come straight across, tunnel, straight across, tunnel, straight across, tunnel. They also call this, I think, the ladder stitch. Straight across, tunnel, and then you pull this, it just pulls it together. So I'm going to demonstrate to you on a bright color thread. Hopefully you'll be able to see all this. Now I use this, okay, one simple application is like stuffed animals and stuff. My grandkids, they get holes in. This is the perfect thing to do. Anytime you want to do a seam and you don't want to see that you've sewed it, you want it to be closed. Say there's a hole in the stuffed animal, you want to close that up. Or I use it a lot in alterations. For instance, if I want to do some altering on part of the dress, maybe the bodice, I need to take in a little bit. So maybe I'll fold this down a little bit farther so it'll already be sewn here. And then I'll want to close this back up. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. It's a little hard on these two pieces, but so since these aren't sewn together, I'm just going to go up there and hide my knot. Here, now I'll put these together. Hope you can see, because I can't really see what the camera's seeing. It's like harder to hold these two pieces than it is a dress. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to hold these tight. And I used quilting thread. It's a little thicker and it's white, so hopefully you can see it. Then you just go in that, tunnel up a little bit. Now obviously the closer you put these stitches, the tighter that's going to be as far as just security. And I'll tunnel in there. Then I'm going to come back straight across here. And it's not really hard to get inside that little tunnel of the fold. And this is kind of a big needle, but so can you see the ladder? And I'm going straight across and getting in that fold. Then coming straight across, getting in that fold. This actually goes pretty fast. It's a little more awkward to hold onto these two strips than it is whatever I'm working on. I use this all the time. This is a great stitch, hand stitch. I use it all the time whenever you just want to repair something and you don't want to see your seam. Or if you can't get your machine in there to make a good stitch, this is a good one. So here, tunnel. I'll just have this be my last one. Now, let's open it up here. So here are my two pieces of fabric. I just sort of finger pressed them. But now even with this thick thread, do you see how I pull it? And it just draws together and you don't even see where I've sewn it. So it's a perfect stitch for so many things. But there you go.